Welcome back, everybody. Coming to you from the great state of Georgia. I just want to do a very quick review on this new trimmer that I bought. This is a Dewalt brand. It's a 20 volt, 14 inch, has a 5 amp battery. Model number on it is DCST922P1. Came from Home Depot for $149, I believe. I'll leave that link down below. I bought that one to replace a gas powered that I had previously. I was a little concerned about going to the battery systems like this, but let me tell you, this thing is probably twice as powerful as my gas weed eater. It does have a high-low. This particular one does fold in half for storage, so like you could tote it around in your trunk of your car if you needed. Comes with the 5 amp battery and charger. Battery slides in the back of it right there. And very nice unit, very nice. If you have any questions about it, leave them in the comments below. I'll try to get those answered for you. Picked this up a couple of days ago and only used it once for a few minutes, just checking it out, but I'm telling you, it is nice. Has a low and a high speed, and even the low is probably where I'll use it. From what I've seen on high, you can expect probably around 20 minutes out of it, and on low I'm hoping to get about 40 minutes. I haven't really tried yet, but we'll see what happens. But anyway, there you go. If you want to check one out, go to your local Home Depot for $149 with the battery and charger. I think that's a pretty good deal. All right, y'all take care. See ya.